Okay, this is the lift on the 2016 Scania Levante K410. That switch on there with that symbol. The lift is in the floor. The bottom step. Press the up button. This is a hydraul lift made in Spain. It's quite an ingenious lift. It raised up automatically. Lift comes up, and then this striker plate then comes down. Bingo! All you then do is pull this catch, lift this section up. There we go. And then those two seats come out there on the tracking, and the wheels are lifted go straight into there. Back down again, press the down. Now we have our own Lola testing facility, so this vehicle will come with a brand new Lola test which will last you for 6 months. Certificates as well. Once you've got so far, press the stow button, then level itself to where it needs to be, drop the handles down, and in she goes. Very clever bit of engineering.